Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. The outside color of the hull is white. This boat is powered by Mercury White 200 Verado. Going to have the new quick changing oil fill. It's going to have the ski tow bar here on the back of the transom. Walk-through transom. Your battery switch is conveniently located inside here on the port. Extra storage. All of this has been upgraded to stainless steel cup holders and grab rails, and you do have the blue LED lighting in all that as well. Here on the back, you'll have a backrest for sitting on the transom. Also, you'll see plenty of storage. It is finished out inside here. Full boat cover and 2 tables with the poles. This boat's going to have the L-shaped seating in the back, a beach cooler. As we go forward, this is going to have the 2 Helm seat options with the flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. And over here at the helm, it's going to have the digital throttle control, Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, tilt wheel steering. This does have the Simrad GPS built into the digital dash. Over here on your port, you're going to have a head. We'll make our way to the bow. Up in the bow, you'll see wraparound seating, grab handles, stereo, and this head also has a pump out to it. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.